Good morning. And the last article of first chapter, first unit, thermometry. It is platinum resistance thermometer. Let me draw a rough sketch of calendar Griffiths bridge, which is required for platinum resistance thermometer. I have to shift the diagram upward, otherwise you may not observe it correctly. This bridge circuit is known as Callender-Griffith bridge circuit. This is a bridge circuit. This bridge circuit is known as Callender-Griffith bridge circuit. This is acting as a very sensitive resistance thermometer because platinum is used for this purpose. So let us remember this figure and start the platinum resistance thermometer. Principle of working of platinum resistance thermometer is change in resistance of platinum when there is a change in temperature. Such thermometer was Such thermometer is known as the platinum resistance thermometer. This thermometer was first constructed by Siemens in 1871 as a sensitive thermometer for measurement of temperatures. Later on, Callender and Griffith introduced modified form of this thermometer, and the modified form is shown on the board. It consists of the platinum wire. The platinum wire is present in double spiral wound form. It is double spiral wound on mica plate. This is a mica plate, it is wound on it. This end and this end of the platinum resistance is connected with copper. Connectors are used. B2 is copper connector, B1 is also copper connector. Copper connectors are used at the end of the platinum wire for low temperature measurement. For high temperature measurement, instead of copper connectors, we can connect there the platinum connectors. C1 and C2 are two identical compensating wires in the same form. These are also platinum wire, but these are known as compensating because having same resistance, same properties. So C1, C2 may be taken as the compensating wire. When we use such thermometer, whenever there is a change in temperature, resistance of the thermometer will also change. So calibrating change in thermometer in terms of temperature, this thermometer can be easily used to measure the temperature to measure the change in temperature. It is a very important device. This is because it is very sensitive. To avoid the inductive effect, the platinum wires are taken in double spiral. One thing, to avoid the convection current and to provide perfect insulation, 3 mica discs are used through which the platinum wires are passed. Through these 3 mica discs, the platinum wires are passed so that there will be no convection current. One thing. Second thing, there will be very good isolation as mica material is perfectly non-conducting material. The resistance found at temperature T is written as RT, and the temperature found at 0 temperature, the resistance found at 0 temperature is written as R0. RT, the resistance of a metal found at temperature T. R0, the resistance of the metal found at R0, and relation between these two is RT is equal to R0 into 1 plus alpha T plus beta T square, equation number 1. RT is equal to R0 into 1 plus alpha T plus beta T square, equation number 1. Before using this platinum resistance thermometer for measurement of current, values of resistance of platinum are found at different temperatures. It is found at ice temperature, that is 0 degrees Celsius, found at steam temperature, which is 100 degrees Celsius, then found at boiling point of sulfur for high temperature measurement, which is 444.6 degrees Celsius. It is also measured at boiling point of oxygen, which is minus 182.5 degree Celsius. If we make use of this and this equation may be written as, if we make use of steam and boiling point of sulfur, equation 1 may be written as R100 is equal to R0 into 1 plus alpha into 100 plus beta into 100 square, equation number 2, and R444.6 is equal to R0 into 1 plus alpha into 444.6 plus beta into 44.6 square, equation number 3. Alpha and beta are constant, beta being very small, can be ignored, and we directly write this equation as R100 is equal to R0 into 1 plus 100 alpha R44.6 is equal to R0 into 1 plus 44.6 alpha, equation number 4, equation number 5. Let us consider equation 1 and equation 4. What is equation 1? Equation 1 is this: RT is equal to R0 into 1 plus alpha T plus beta T square. If beta is ignored, like this equation will simply become RT is equal to R0 into 1 plus alpha T, equation number 6. Let us consider equation 4 and equation 6. Equation 4 may further be written as R100 minus R0 is equal to 100 R0 alpha, and this written as RT minus R0 is equal to R0 alpha T, equation number 7, equation number 8. Divide equation 8 by equation 7. Divide equation 8 by equation 7 to get RT minus R0 divided by R100 minus R0 is equal to alpha get cancel, R0 get cancel, what left is T divided by 100. Only RT is not known, R0 known, R100 known, 100 is constant, and therefore this equation may further be written as T is equal to RT minus R0 divided by R100 minus R0 into 100, equation number 9. This is the expression to find temperature of any body using this platinum resistance thermometer. What you need to know? You need to know RT. Then you can come to know the temperature T. R100 is already measured, R0 is already measured, okay, 100 is already known. RT can be found from this bridge circuit. Put that value of RT here, do the calculation, you will get value of T, the temperature measured by the platinum resistance thermometer. This way, platinum resistance thermometer can be used for measurement of temperature. It is a very sensitive thermometer, so the measurement of temperature done by this platinum resistance thermometer is very accurate. This is about the last article of first chapter, thermometry. Hope you got it. From next lecture onwards, so we shall start the second chapter, second unit. Thank you.